Hi, my name is Samantha Freskes, and today I will be creating an interview and making a profile review on a person within my discourse community. Later on, I'll talk through as to how this person uses the language within that community, and as well as to how people perceive that person for the type of language he or she uses. Now, for some background information, the person who I decided to make an interview on is my current and former roommate, Brooklyn. We gotten to know each other so well, so I think this is a perfect opportunity just to touch base as to what her discourse community is outside of mine, because I feel as though the world is so big, we have little to no idea as to how diverse everyone is. So I hope you enjoy and continue watching. Okay, hello. So today we have Brooklyn here today. She's joining us. Thank you for being here.
Thank you for having me.
Okay, so anyways, let's just jump right into this. Are you familiar as to what discourse community is?
Kind of, but not really.
Okay, that is fine, no worries. So discourse community basically would be a collection of people or a group that works towards a goal, a common goal through communication. So for example, that would be like a family, school, and sports. Okay, so do you consider yourself to be part of a discourse community? And if so, what do you think?
I would say that I have been part of a discourse community. I would say my volleyball teams that I've been a part of. We always had to use a certain type of slang for our plays or a certain movement that we were doing. So yeah.
Okay, wonderful. Okay. Next, what are your common goals for the group that you belong to? What was your common goals in volleyball?
I think it would be for school, my school volleyball team, it was making it to state, getting that title with my team, or for my club team, it was making it to nationals, just to, go all the way with that team.
Okay, that's perfect. Thank you so much for sharing. And I have one more thing for you. Actually, two. Okay, so what is one thing that fully grasps who you are, and this could be a food, a word, or a material thing? What do you think?
Jeez.
In volleyball, what is one thing that...
I would probably say, leadership, I wanted my team to, really grow together and be one, so I took that role upon myself, just to really unite us in a way that so we could go all the way.
Awesome, thank you. Have you ever encountered someone who is unfamiliar with a certain dialect you spoke? And since you are from New Mexico, we do have a certain slang. Have you ever encountered that?
For sure. Especially moving to college, a lot of people from out of town, I say Elavin weird. It's very different, and a lot of people sometimes make fun of it, but that's just how I've always said it. So I'm used to it, but some people aren't.
I'm sorry to hear that. Okay, for the last question, what do you believe to be the most interesting dialect at the moment for you?
Probably the Spanish dialect, people from Spain, they have that little lisp to it, so I think it's really interesting and different for sure.
Awesome, thank you so much.